Hey, Vegas and Stilettos here. Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, I like to unbox things, all sorts of things. I also like to vlog vacations, and I like to vlog and review food around the world. Pardon my hair and all of that. I'm getting ready to go outside and do some yard work, but I just wanted to sit down real quick, and I have a couple of boxes to unbox. This is Stitch Fix, so that'll be later, but I wanted to get this one unboxed, and then I have one in front of me that I would like to unbox. But real quick, I would like to give a proper shout out and congratulations to Melinda Hall, which was the GOT winner. She won last Monday, the GOT palette winner. She won last Monday. I shipped it to her on Tuesday. She received it on Thursday, and she sent me these pictures here. So congratulations. Thank you for being a loyal subscriber, and I hope to see you in many videos to come. Also, quickly, there is a link down below to a giveaway that is currently going on. So, in other news, I have an unboxing. This is my first PR unboxing. I am unboxing for you Tiege Hanley. Now, I'm not sure what video this fella found me on, but he reached out to me via email and said, hey, would you like to review our men's skincare product and review it on your channel? And I said, well, I am an unboxing channel, but that I would love to unbox it on my channel, let my husband use it for 30 days or so, and then come back and give his thoughts on the product. So, you know, that is what I'm going to do. This video will not contain a ton of information because it is just an unboxing. I will give you the information that I have in my hand, but hopefully by the time I get this video up, there will be an affiliate link down below to get a certain percentage off, possibly. I don't know. He has not emailed me back yet about that, so whatever that is, I will have that down in this description if you wanted to give it a try yourself, or your husband's, or whoever, just before I, got a chance to review it. That will be down there, but of course I will come back and let you guys know what I thought of this product. So this company was started in November of 2015 by Aaron Marino, Rob, and Kelly. And they came together with the idea of a skincare line for men. And so that's what we are delving into right now. So this is what the box looks like. And I open it up, and this is what I see on the inside. Let's see. It says Tiege Hanley Uncomplicated Skincare for Men, and they have 3 tiers, I believe. They have the first tier, the second tier, and the third tier, and they go for different prices. Okay, so I'm actually looking at the website, and they actually have 5 different tiers, or 5 different skincare levels to choose from. They have a skincare system level 1, a skincare system level 2, a skincare system level 3, and then they also have an acne system level 1 and an acne system level 2. Taking the card out, I have this black paper with a sticker on it, and on the back of this card it gives you the directions on how to use the product. So let's see, maybe 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so I actually have the skincare system level 3, so that's great. My husband can try out the entirety of the first skin line. That's awesome. So the first thing I am pulling out here is the Tiege Hanley Uncomplicated Skincare. It's a daily face wash. And let's see, does it have, it does have, no it doesn't. Okay, it does not have a safety seal. So I'm gonna just kind of put a little bit out here, and it does have a thicker consistency, so that is nice. It smells good. I like the smell. And it feels very lotiony at first, and then it kind of goes into a soapy consistency, which is fine because it's a face wash. The next thing I am going to pull out here is the Tiege Hanley Uncomplicated Skin Care Scrub. And it says 2 times per week, and it's a facial exfoliating scrub. And I'm going to just put a little, that's a little tighter squeeze, okay. Oh, and you can see the little exfoliating scrubs in there. Oh yeah, that's definitely going to be a decent scrub. Can you see the little specks in there? That might be a little harsh for the face, but we'll see how he likes it. And then the next thing I am pulling out here is an AM morning, or an AM facial moisturizer and a PM facial moisturizer. So, you know, you wash your face, scrub your face if it's that time of the week, and then you put your AM on, and then you put your PM on before you go to bed. And then the last 2 things I'm pulling out here is an Uncomplicated Skincare for Men Eyes AM and PM eye cream. So there is that. And let's see. I'm gonna run out of room on my hand here. I forgot to, okay. So you can see that that is nice and thick. That feels good. And it doesn't really have a smell to it, so that's great. I forgot to open these other ones, and this is an Uncomplicated Skincare Super Serum. It's AM and PM Facial Firming Serum. Oh, and that's really, okay. And that doesn't have a smell either. Let's see, we'll rub it in. That came out really fast. We'll rub it in, and I'll see if it has like a firming sensation to it. Let's go back to these AM and PM moisturizers. Let's see, we'll put this up here. No, I really don't smell anything on that either. That was the PM, and that is kind of thick. And then the AM, oh, and that's a more that's a thinner consistency because that just kind of squirted out there, and I used way too much. But yeah, I mean, I think that those will feel really nice. I will let my husband use them. Now, he does have sensitive skin, so we'll see how this works on him, and I will come back and let you guys know. So I hope you guys have a great day. Bye. Oh, after I spread that out a little bit, it does have a smell to it. It's maybe eucalyptus? Maybe tea tree? I think that's more tea tree. Okay. All right, well, tea tree is known for helping with acne, so that's awesome. All right, so again, I will get back to you on how these perform for my husband. I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.